Hi, I'm Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Taurus horoscope for May 2025, a month of personal renewal, financial clarity, and career expansion as the cosmos highlights your self-growth, stability, and ambitions. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May is all about you, Taurus. With the sun in your sign until May 20th, you're experiencing a personal solar renewal, making this one of your most powerful months to set intentions and embrace change. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th offers a fresh start in personal goals, self-image, and long-term ambitions. With Jupiter moving into Gemini on May 25th, expect a major shift toward financial expansion, confidence in your earning potential, and new ways to build stability. New moon in Taurus, May 19. A personal reset moment. This new moon encourages you to reinvent yourself, embrace your desires, and step forward with confidence. Set new goals aligned with your values. Mars in Cancer until May 16, Leo after May 16. Before May 16, energy is focused on communication, learning, and emotional processing. After May 16, Mars in Leo shifts focus to home, family, and emotional security, making it a great time to make improvements in your living space. Jupiter enters Gemini May 25. A major financial expansion begins as Jupiter enters your second house of money, resources, and self-worth. This is a golden period for increasing income, investments, and financial security. Career and finances. May is a financially pivotal month, with Jupiter moving into your second house on May 25th, bringing opportunities for increased earnings. You may be offered a raise, a new income source, or a chance to monetize a talent. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th encourages you to take control of your financial future, set long-term security goals, and ensure stability. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, time to manifest new financial and personal goals. May 25th, Jupiter in Gemini, major expansion in wealth building and confidence. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, relationships focus on communication, curiosity, and playful connection. After Venus enters Cancer on May 24th, love becomes more emotionally nurturing and deep. This is an excellent time to have meaningful conversations, plan romantic dates, or deepen bonds through emotional honesty. Best days for love. May 11 to 13, Venus trine Pluto, intense emotional connections and clarity in love. May 24, Venus enters Cancer, bringing romance, emotional security, and deep connections. Health and well-being. The new moon in Taurus, May 19, is a great time to refresh your self-care, fitness, and wellness routines. If you've been meaning to improve diet, exercise, or mental health habits, this is your reset point. With Mars in Leo after May 16, you may feel motivated to focus on home, family, and emotional well-being. Best days for success. May 19, new moon in Taurus, set personal and financial goals. May 24th, Venus enters Cancer, relationships become deeper and more nurturing. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, financial expansion begins. What to avoid. May 20, Mars square Jupiter, avoid overconfidence in financial risks or major spending. May 24-27, Saturn retrograde begins, time to reassess long-term commitments and stability. May 2025 is a month of fresh starts, confidence, and financial growth for Taurus. The new moon helps you realign with your purpose, while Jupiter's move into Gemini expands wealth building and self-worth. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars